How to log into Groww account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Groww login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to the very first one website option, groww.in. You will be directed to the login page. Now here you can use two options to log into your account. You can continue with Google or you can continue using other mail. Select the option of your choice. Then provide your email address. After you type in your email address, click on Next. Now you will be receiving code in your email address that you have just entered. Check your mail and type in the code over here. Now type in your password and click on Submit. And with that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into your Groww account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.